making sugar cookies.
They're making sugar cookies.
I didn't know how to say that.
That's okay. All right, you get both of those in there?
Yeah.
All right, can you put the butter in?
Butter?
Mm-hmm. Scrape all that butter in there.
Scrape it. Oh. I think... Okay. It's too heavy.
I'll help holding it.
Oh, I got some in there.
Scrape it all in there.
Whoa.
Good job.
I got some on my finger.
That's okay.
Scrape it all in.
Mm-hmm.
Scrape it all in. That's my new word. Scrape.
You got it?
Okay. I got it. Okay. All of the butter.
Okay. Now put the water in.
I will put a little bit of water.
It said just a little bit. Now mix it all up, and then we're gonna bake them. And then we're gonna decorate them. Are you ready for that?
Yeah. Right now. Welcome to Learning League.
Hi guys! We are gonna do a cookie decorating contest today.
And we're gonna do the frosting first because we want everything to stick on there.
Exactly. So first I wanted to share that we have a Facebook account now at Learning League, Facebook pages. We also have an Instagram at Learning League Kids. And what we're doing with this video is we're gonna do this cool decorating cookie contest.
If you want to describe, we're gonna click below on our subscribe, and we're gonna get Mommy's videos up high.
Yes.
Mommy's videos are gonna get up there.
But we're gonna have you guys vote. So I want you to vote on which cookie is better, Mommy or Sophia's.
No, pick me.
So we're gonna go to the Facebook page or the Instagram page. Baby, don't shake too much. And tell us which one's your favorite. All right. So let's get started.
Don't pick Mommy, but if you want to pick Mommy, it's okay.
Yeah. All right. So we've got all kinds of candies here. We got Skittles. We got M&Ms. We have two different kinds of frosting, chocolate and vanilla.
And these sprinkles.
Be careful because you're spilling them everywhere.
The thing.
These are unicorn sprinkles. We got another kind of sprinkles too.
These.
Those
taste like chocolate.
Chocolate wafers and Oreos.
Oreos.
Okay, so are you ready to get started?
Yeah. I'm gonna pick.
Which frosting do you want first?
I want that one.
That one? Okay. I think Mommy's gonna do one for vanilla. We made sugar cookies. They turned out pretty good. They kind of look like pancakes though. And we have 2 each. All right. And so we're gonna decorate them, and then you guys get to vote on which one you like. This is not a healthy activity. We have lots of sugar. We only do this every once in a while. But I thought this would be fun to get you guys to the Facebook and Instagram page to vote on which one you like. So I'm really excited about it.
I'm starting right now.
Yep, you're started, and I'm gonna do the vanilla frosting on one of mine.
But I like vanilla too.
You like chocolate or vanilla better?
I like both.
You like both? Maybe you could do 1 cookie vanilla and 1 cookie chocolate. Wanna do that?
And I'm gonna start with sprinkles now.
So while we do this, I'm gonna ask Sophia some questions so that you guys can get to know us a little bit better as well. So Sophia, what is your favorite color?
Pink and red.
Pink and red. Mommy's favorite color is kind of changes every day. I like orange, I like pink, and I like yellow.
And Mommy likes green. This green.
I like a little bit of green.
Oh.
Okay, what should I put on my cookie?
Look.
You put a lot of sprinkles. I like it though. I am gonna put a couple Oreos.
I'm gonna be the test taster.
I think Sophia's gonna test taste them. We were talking about unicorns.
Yeah.
in our unit right now. We do a letter a week, and right now we are on U. And so this is a fun activity to kind of get all the colors and fun things involved. But it's also just a fun activity to do on a rainy day. So next question. What toppings do you like on your pizza?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni? Do you like cheese?
Yes. All these. I want that.
You want what?
I want
The sprinkles?
this.
You can grab the container. Move it closer to you. I like pineapple on my pizza, and I know that's not a lot of people like pineapple on their pizza. It's controversial, but I like pineapple on my pizza. My favorite type of pizza is black olive and pineapple.
Pineapple is the same.
Do you like pineapple on your pizza?
No.
No. What do you think of my face so far? Let's show them and see what they think. What do you guys think of my face?
No.
I made a face.
They say no.
They say no.
You have to make it even fattier than like this.
I can't because it won't curl. That's okay.
You can use one of these, and you can like stick it onto there, and you can make a smiley face.
Okay, the next question is,
What?
why do you like unicorns?
Because they have rainbows, and I like rainbows.
You like rainbows and unicorns. Do they make you happy when you see them?
Can I have some
Vanilla?
some banana?
Absolutely.
Okay. Thank you.
Where do you think unicorns live at?
The unicorn store.
The unicorn store? Where do you think that they're real?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because I watched the pony thing.
Yeah. So what's the difference between horses and unicorns?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Look at mine. Look at mine.
You
too.
got some good cookies. Ooh. That looks
They
really
liked
sugary.
them. They
Like that one?
liked it.
Yeah.
They liked it. I'm gonna have some.
At the end of this video, I will post pictures so you guys can vote a little easier. And I'll also include those links in the description and at the end of the video.
Look at mine.
If you guys haven't seen, we did a baby food challenge. Did you like doing that?
No.
No? Do you like this one better or the baby food challenge better?
I like this one.
You like this? Because it's sugary?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can have some of my.
I made this one just a sprinkly one.
You,
Ooh, you're putting Skittles on yours.
you can make a nose.
Oh, thank you. You're helping me out.
A nose. Look at them. Just show them. A nose. I made him a nose.
Made me a nose.
I am an expert.
You're an expert.
Yeah,
So how old are you, Sophia?
like 4.
4. And you get to go to kindergarten next year, don't you? Are you excited about going to kindergarten?
I'm scared.
You're scared. Well,
I
you've got
don't
a
know.
whole year to think about it.
I don't know if I'd have a bad teacher or a nice teacher.
I think pretty much all teachers are nice, don't you think?
Yes.
Yeah.
I need some more frosting on this. I need some more.
I love your cookies. They're really nice. And Sophia even made the cookies. She helped make the cookies. She put all the ingredients in them. It's kind of a rainy, gross Tuesday outside today, so we thought this activity would be fun.
I need more
Frosting?
I need more.
I think I'm done with my cookies. What do you think? Do you think they look good?
But I like that. I don't know.
You like that one? Are we going to eat these cookies?
Yeah.
Maybe we should take our time and eat one at a time because that's a lot of sugar. What is your favorite thing to do, Sophia? you like to play outside?
Why
Do
is
you like to do
sticky?
art? What is your favorite thing to do?
Why is it not coming off?
She's very concentrated on her cookie making.
I'm an artist.
You're an artist. You're a cookie artist.
Can I eat this?
Yep.
I'm taste testing it.
You're taste testing it.
Now I really like frosting.
Do you want to answer the question now?
Yes.
What do you like to do? What's your favorite thing to do?
To do this.
Sophia really loves baking. We bake a lot. All right, we should probably stop eating that if we're going to eat the cookies. Are you done with your cookie?
I need to one.
I love your little star sprinkles that you have on your cookie.
Why is it breaking?
Got it? All right. Okay, so it's up to you guys. Do you think Mommy wins or Sophia wins?
Who made
Here's
the
our
better?
cookies.
They like mine?
So write in the comments below, Sophia or Mommy? Which one do you think? Well, Sophia's already eating hers, so.
Okay, I'm gonna test taste.
You're gonna taste it?
Hmm.
Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. We'll see you guys later. Thank you for joining us. Bye. She's eating her cookies.